Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. There is peak pay for some reason, so the current rate is $18 an hour for the next 30 minutes, which is like one order, maybe two if I get one right after this. This is a Starbucks going 4 miles.
Hi.
Hello.
You're picking up your call.
Thank you. Total for that one was $10 and change. And I did get the next one right away. This is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Yeah, we ordered today.
Thank you. So if I deliver this one quick enough, I might just be able to get one more before the peak pay ends. Total for that one was just under $9. And no third order on peak pay. Unfortunate. 2 minutes later and got the next order. This is going to be a McDonald's going 6 miles. Oh, I'm just waiting for an order over here.
I got it right here. Please confirm the order on your note. Thank you. And we just...
Total for that one was $9 and change. Pretty good start so far. Been a little bit, but finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 4 miles, 2 items. Taking a huge risk on this one, but big number make eyes go wide, so wish me luck. This is a Starbucks, $25 going 12 miles. A lot of the mileage is getting to the restaurant itself, so that could just mean that it's closed and I'm going there for no reason. Looks open to me. See somebody in the drive-thru at least. Now just gotta hope nobody else picked it up before I got here. Thank you. $20 base pay on that, which means they only tipped $5 for that. That's kind of cringe. I don't know if that was worth it actually, because I am so far away from anywhere I want to be. It's probably been about half an hour since that last order. Half of that was trying to get back into civilization. The other half was just not getting any orders. But finally got the next one. This is a McDonald's, $7 going 2.5 miles.
It's 2.
Both of them. Thank you.
Good day.
Next up is a Voodoo Donut. This one is also high mileage. This one's going 7.5 miles.
Here you go, man.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yep, you too. Hi. Oh, thank you. Total for that one was $9, and I've got a stinky hand, so not amazing. Next up is a McDonald's. This is going 4 miles. Total for that one was $6 and got the next one right away. It is going right back to McDonald's. This one's going 6 miles. Total for that was $8 and change. Is that 3 in a row? I think that's 3 in a row. This is the same McDonald's, back to back to back. This one's going 5 miles.
DoorDash for Ashley. Can you help her find?
Total for that one was $11 and change. Alright, I'm getting spammed with nothing but trash, so I think that's my cue to call it here. Current time is 9:15. Total ended up with 105. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see